Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We are on ornament number 4 of our classic stitchy sew-along. So if you are new, you can get your patterns for the classic stitchy sew-along this year in my store. There are 12 different stitchy ornaments, all based on classic quilt blocks. You can get this pattern in PDF or paper. We are working hard to ship every day so that we can get your patterns to you ASAP. Of course, PDF is instant download. So let's review yesterday. This is ornament number 3. Super cute. This was an Ohio star ornament, and this one is a lot of fun. And then ornament number 4 is this one right here. Now, this is actually based on a weather vane quilt block, and I was able to do this on the quilt on the stitchy version, but I wasn't able to get all of these teeny tiny pieces on this quilty version. So I did have to kind of change it up a little bit. So these ones don't match exactly. So here is the quilty version, and so these ones are definitely going to be a little bit different. There is just no way I could have gotten those tiny little pieces in there. So, but they're both adorable, but they just are a little bit different. This one, as you can see, some of them are going to match pretty well. Some of them are just going to be different because you have to make some concessions with the quilting side of things because, you know, there's only so small that you can get your pieces before they just don't work anymore. So anyways, here is block number 4 for stitchy and for quilty. Now, don't forget, there is a finishing video here on YouTube for how I finish these, but you can also finish them in those little 3-inch embroidery hoops that we finished last year's ornaments in. So they fit in there perfectly, so super fun. And I would love to hear how you guys are finishing yours as well. Oh, I did want to show you the back for this one. This is just a red gingham print. This is from Sweetwater Christmas, and I want to say it's from my their Christmas line from last year. So I pulled these all out of my stash, and I just used my scraps for the backings for these because you basically need, they finish at 3.5 inches. I put them on a 4-inch background just to kind of give myself some wiggle room. So really you just need about a 4x4 piece of fabric, and they can all be different. Nobody's going to care what your backings look like. So I just picked, you know, whatever I had in my stash. So that's what the backing on this one looked like. So I wanted to share one of my favorite cross-stitching notions with you today. So these are the Omni Grid 4-inch snips, and these are great for cross-stitch because they have such a sharp, fine point on them. So whenever I'm stitching on the back, I will bury my threads, and I do have a how to cross-stitch series here on YouTube, so check those out and you'll see how I do that. But I bury my threads behind other threads so I don't have knots behind my cross-stitch, and then I use these little scissors to just get right up against that cross stitch and snip it off. It makes it really nice, clean cut. They're super sharp, and you're not going to be stitching into your fabric because, you know, the bigger, clunkier scissors that you have, the more likely it is that you're going to stitch some or clip something that you don't want to clip. So I highly recommend these. I will make sure to link them below, but I have one of these in all of my stitching bags because they're just so perfect for this craft. So that's my little extra tip for you today, is those 4-inch scissors. You can get them on Fat Quarter Shop's website. You can get them on Amazon. They probably also have them at local craft supply stores as well. Again, they're called Omni Grid 4-inch snips. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy our ornament for today. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. I hope you guys are enjoying the stitch along, and I will see you in the next video for ornament number 5.